Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about watching and routine checking. Concept learning is our main objective. Watching and routine checking. Routine checking is simple checking involving checking of each posting, carry forward, brought forward, transfer, balancing of accounts. So it is a routine checking. So routine checking is a simple checking involving checking of each posting, carry forwards, brought forward, transfer, balancing of accounts, etc. This is a routine checking. Routine checking is the part of watching. So routine checking is the one part of watching. Routine checking is a mechanical device, but watching is an intelligent checking of various transactions. So routine checking is a mechanical device, but watching is an intelligent checking of various transactions is made with the help of documentary evidence. So in watching we consider documentary evidence. Now we discuss difference routine checking, watching. In routine checking, it is a just checking of carry forwards, brought forwards, balancing, etc. In watching, it is checking the validity, authenticity and accuracy of the entries with documentary evidence, invoices or agreements or contracts, so etc. are considered in watching. So for validity belongs to this year or earlier years. Authenticity, it is authenticated by a specified authority or not. Accuracy of the entries, so with the documentary evidence, it is the watching. Next, in routine checking, it is mechanical checking of the accounts. So we already discussed it. These are mechanical checking. Next, in watching, it is an intelligent checking with the documentary evidence, because one transaction, for example, salary is paid 50,000, so it belongs to this year or not. The employees actually existed in the company or not. Actually payment is made or not. So these are intelligent checking with documentary evidence. Payslip. Next, third point, only arithmetical accuracy is checked in routine checking. In watching, real accuracy is checked. Next, fourth one, just clerical errors are revealed in routine checking. In watching, both clerical and errors of principle also revealed. Next, it reveals only minor frauds. In routine checking, reveals only minor frauds. In watching, it reveals well designed frauds also. So because here consider documentary evidence. Next, it does not include watching. So watching is a includes routine checking, because routine checking is a part of watching. Okay, subscribe to Way to Commerce.